Hi, my name is Curtis and welcome back to Fat Kid Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you some video I did about 2 months ago where I took the Lightning over to my buddy's dyno and we did a baseline pull to see the kind of numbers it makes now versus the numbers it's going to make after I put the Kinney bell on it. These numbers are taken at altitude at about 5,800 feet, so they're lower than you would normally see on some of the Lightnings here on YouTube, but I'm going to show you corrected and I'm going to show you the uncorrected numbers. On the corrected numbers, they're a little higher than I think they should be, but the uncorrected numbers are probably what is put into the tire up here at this altitude. So, hope you enjoy these videos and check them out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little video of the Lightning on the dyno. So stay tuned for some future episodes when we actually get the Kinney bell on and take it back to the dyno to see what kind of numbers it actually puts down. I'm hoping it's somewhere around the 450 range to the tire up here in Colorado, but I guess we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. I'm out.